All right, welcome back everyone. Today we are going to see what is going on in those snowy mountains and see if we can help Bach. Okay, so we are going to begin with,
Are you playing from home or from school?
today we will go ahead and sign in at school. And here is Bach. We're going to go ahead and begin this quest. Now we are going to be working on addition to 20. And so addition to 20 is what we will be focusing on today.
Welcome to Bach Cave. New wizard seek gym, learn spells? You come to right place.
I hope so, Bach.
Bach teach wizard, but first we have problem. It's freezing in here.
Oh no.
Need to check on furnaces, but room full of chilly monsters. But you wizard strong. Head to furnace room, first door on right.
That's right, we are nice and strong, aren't we? So this is the right, and it is the first door there, so we're going to go inside and see what we can find.
Oh, it looks like all the furnaces are out. No wonder it's so cold.
Chilly, chilly, chilly. We have some ice sneaks that we have to deal with. So let's go over and fight this one. Okay, so there's only one ice sneak, so I'm going to be using Starbit Blast, and let's see what we can do. We have an addition sentence for 11 plus 1. Now, we have a lot of really cool tools here that you're going to be using as you answer problems. If adding like this is hard, you can write it vertically. And so we have 11. Looks like a smiley face. There's my plus sign and 1. So I can add down the ones place. 1 plus 1 is going to give me 2. And 10 plus 0 is going to give me 10. So our answer here is 12. And I can double check by subtracting up, which is a great strategy to do to check your answers. 12 minus 1, if I take away 1 from 12, that's going to give me 11. So 12 should be right. And let's go ahead and cast a spell to see. All right, way to go. We got it, and ooh, it landed on the ice sneak. If you get your math right, you land your spells. If your math is wrong, your spell will miss. So make sure you are answering those facts. Okay, so we have 10 plus 5. One of the things I can use are the colored pencils here and the eraser. I have other tools here that I can use though, and I can use base blocks, I can use counters. Let's go ahead and use the counters right now, just to go ahead and show off what you can do if you get stuck on problems, because finding solutions and using these is very helpful. Now, if you have cute erasers, you can use those at home as well in order to organize your thinking for your math. Okay, so we have 10. Oh, we do not. We have to have one more row. 5 down, 5 in our column, and 5 rows. And there we go, 2 in each row. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're adding 5 to it. So I'll go ahead and add another 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The tools are really great in order to figure out our answers, and so that's one of the reasons I want to showcase them. So we know this is 10. We're going to count on from 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 10 plus 5 should get us to 15. And let's go ahead and see. Great job, guys. Thank you for helping me. Boom! All right, minus 223 health points. Way to go. And Ice Sneak missed. All right, so let's go ahead and rescue this Ice Sneak. Try to break Mind Illusion spell over monster and add it to your team. Yes, let's try it out. So for this skill, I need to balance the equation. And so that means that each side is going to equal the same amount. So when I see problems like this, I need to add them up to make sure that they balance. So for this side, I'm going to think of each one of these sides as needing to be the same number. So when I find this missing number, then that is going to help me figure it out. So this is a two-step problem, and what I have to do first is 10 plus 1. And so 10 plus 1, woo, 10 plus 1 is going to give me 11. So this side will have 11. Now this side needs to equal 11, so something plus 2 is going to equal 11. So in order to figure out the missing number, I have what it has to equal. I have the whole. And, ooh, this is not the best circle in the world. So that's my whole. I have one of the parts, if I'm making a number bond. That's going to be my 2. And then I have to figure out the other part, which would be the other part of the number bond, and that would be our 9. And so I can also show that by 11 minus 2, and that's going to give me 9. I will regroup and turn the 11 into the 1's place, and 11 minus 2 will be 9. I can double check that 9 plus 2 is going to be 10, 11. So 9 is our missing number, and there we go. Yes! Great job, great job. We have our ice sneak. Awesome, so exciting. And so now we'll be able to have one more pet. Ooh, more hearts. Sprout gained hearts too. Awesome. We'll open the chest. And we got Shivers, which is the currency of the area that we're in. And we can collect that for special things. Special things to buy in the store. Okay, now the ice sneak that I rescued is with us now, which is great. Okay, so here we have 5 plus 6. And I know that 5 plus 5 is going to give us 10. Here are some base blocks. And 10 plus 1, which would be 11. Now, if on the other side there's already a 6, I know, just by looking at this, if these 6's are the same, the missing number should be a 5 in order to balance out the sides, so both sides would equal 11. Let's put the 5 in, and woohoo! We got it right. Great job, guys. 249 damage. And they're using Icicle Shard, boom, with 159 damage. Okay. This is going to be true or false. And I'm going to go ahead and just remind us to read the question out loud.
Is the equation true or false? 3 plus 1 equals 4 plus 0. A, true. B, false. Is the equation true or false? 3 plus 1 equals 4 plus 0. A, true. B, false.
Okay, and true is going to, this says if 3 plus 1 and 4 plus 0 have the same answer, it is true. And false would mean that the answer is different. So let's go back to our counters just to make sure. And here we have 3, plus 1. And that is the left side of the equation. And then we're saying that 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 0. And here are my 4. So 3 plus 1, does that equal 4? Yes, it does. So this is true. Great job, guys. Okay, let's see what happens with our ice sneak. And, ooh, it missed. Fantastic. Good, good, good. Whew, I think we should get it this time. Here we have another one. Is the equation true or false? For 7 plus 7 equals 8 plus 6. So do they equal each other? Let's go ahead and go back to our counters for this one. Although, you know what, I do want to go ahead and, yeah, let's just do our counters for this one. So we're going to have 7 over here. And as I build these, I always like to put them in groups of 5, just like our 10 frames. So this is 5, 6, 7, and that way it's very organized and it's easy for my eyeballs to see, which I think is very important. Now I have to add the other 7 because it's 7, 5, 6, 7 plus 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, now here we have 8 plus 6. So 1, and I'm going to go up until I have 5, and then I'm going to move onwards, and that will help me to see very clearly how many I have. So that is 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now I need to add the 6, which is right here because it's 8 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so let's see if these equal the same. Over here, I can see that we have a group of 10 and 4. So I know that this is 14 on this side. And then on the other side, oh, that's supposed to be an equal sign. There we go. And let's go ahead and make our group of 10 over here, which will be in our tens place. And then our ones place has 4. So that is 14 plus 14 equals 14. So this would be a true statement for here. Okay. That equal sign made me laugh. And there goes the ice sneak. Bye-bye, mister. Okay, great job, guys. Open up our chest. Looks like we got a sock. Woohoo, an old sock. That's lovely. Okay, and let's take care of the last ice sneak. And, ooh, I got an achievement. That's wonderful. Okay, let's take care of this ice sneak. So what number is missing? To balance the equation out, both of these sides have to be the same. So we have 5 on this side of our equation, on this side of the equal sign. Let's go ahead and just make a nice line here. 3, 4, 5. On this side, we already have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That means to keep this equation balanced, we can't add anything at all. So our answer has to be 0 here. So let's cast that spell. Woohoo! Great job. Here's the icicle shard again, and it missed. Oh, lucky for us. Now, as your power creeps up, so does every single monster you see. So something plus 3 equals 8. We're going to use subtraction this time in order to figure out our answer. So we're going to do 8 minus 3, and that will equal to 5. So 5 plus 3 is going to equal 8. Woohoo! Good job, guys. Alright, one more and we'll be able to go back and see a Bach before we say goodbye for the day. Alright, I already have an ice sneak, so I'm not going to rescue this pet. Add the smiley faces. So we have 2 green smiley faces and no other colors. So 2 plus 0, we're going to have 2 total. And we'll cast our spell. And great job, great job. And goodbye, Neek. Alright, 10 battle stars. We hit level 5. Way to go. Ooh, we have a conjure cube. These are quite special. And an ice sneak gained 100 hearts. That's great. Let's open up our chest. And then, so exciting for us, we can take a look inside of the conjure cube as well.
Let's head back, okay?
Okay, let's go back.
Ha ha ha! Bach knew you could do it.
Of course you did, Bach, and 100 gold coins. That is awesome.
Furnace is all broken. Bach used power crystal to light furnace, but last crystal stolen.
Oh no. What are you saying?
What? Bach tells Slip to hide crystal. It not Bach fault, it's stolen.
Okay.
Go to treasure room and find chili monster that stole Bach crystal.
Oh, okay. We're gonna have to go and find a monster now. And we might go and do one more. We ranked up the Prodigy achievement, which I would like to share with my friends. I think I missed that. We're gonna go up and just do one more battle. I think there is one more skill that I can show you today. And then we will be saying goodbye. After this, ice sneak. So here we have our smiley faces. We have 5 plus 3. Now in first grade, we do want to make sure that we are counting on and working on counting on. So we don't want to start all the way back here and count from 1, 2. We know this is 5. So we're going to count on from 5, 6, 7, 8. And so 8 is going to be the answer for our 5 plus 3. Yay! Woohoo! Now, Prodigy has a really cool algorithm that loads questions for you or for your child. And so I think that is the end of the questions I've selected. And so this is just going to show me a random question, and we might see one more before our battle is over. Select the partition being shown in the picture. So this has 1, 2, 3 parts. So it's broken into thirds. Our circle is broken into thirds, and one of the thirds is green. So this is showing a third of the circle. Woohoo! All right. Boom. 272 hit points gone. I think we'll get the... Oh, and you missed again! I think we will get the ice sneak this time, and let's see what other question is brought up. It says, when counting up by 2, what number comes after 10? So if we're starting at 10 and we're counting up by 2, I need to go ahead and skip count 2, and then that will be the next number. So 10, 11, 12 would be the next number that comes up if we are counting up by 2s. Woohoo! And this should be a victory for us. Let's see. Yes! 273 points. All right. That was an awesome cast. All right, 10 battle stars. Sprout is now level 4. Sprout has 100 extra hearts now. And Sprout unlocked Shrubbery Strike. Ooh, a new spell to cast. So exciting. Here we're going to open up our chest. And we've got 100 coins, 20 shivers, and 1 copper coin. All right. So we are going to continue on to find out what happens sequencing. Cool. And I shared it with my buddies.
Nice.
Ooh, questionnaire too. So many things to share. Yes. I hope they're all proud of me with my great learning. We are going to continue this adventure next video as we continue to take a look at some math skills. I hope you enjoyed this adding to 20, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time for more Prodigy. Have a good day, and I hope you sign up, you join, and you are enjoying playing in Prodigy game. Take care, everybody. See you later. Bye-bye.